All right, this is a quick intro to our Cycle 2, Week 2 experiment Mirage. This is found in our VanCleave's experiment book. Your materials are a $2 glass bowl from Walmart, a ball of clay, a coin, and some water. And what we are teaching the students is about light refraction and how the Earth's atmosphere can refract light to give us a different view of the sun. So to start out, you're just going to take your ball of clay, put it in the center of the bowl, put your coin into it, and then you can talk with the students about what their hypothesis will be when we pour the water in, and then we're just going to pour the water in. So what we'll see when we actually pour the water in is light refracting. It will look like the light is bending the clay and the coin, so we see a different angle of it. We are going to put this here on the edge of the table. And then we're going to back up. So this is like looking in a fish tank. Similar to that, you can see the coin and the clay both look bigger